welcome. I'm Prachi Gupta. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough, hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID 19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope, curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. Scientists from the Roorkee-based CSIR Central Building Research Institute or CBRI and Chennai-based CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center or SERC have thrown in their might with the National Disaster Response Force in rapidly building isolation wards, hospitals and shelters for COVID-19 on a war footing. Some of these structures are being erected in less than a week. As COVID 19 is contagious, isolating positive cases from others is one of the key strategies to contain its spread. The National Innovation Foundation of India, or NIF, which is an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology, or DST, had initiated a program named Challenge COVID-19 Competition. Under this contest, ideas and innovations to tackle the pandemic were invited from citizens. In this competition, a foot-operated device for hand sanitization and washing was suggested by Sri Mupparapu Raju from Warangal. This idea has been selected by the NIF for support as it is a timely solution in response to the need for contactless devices in the prevailing COVID-19 environment. The device has been installed at various locations such as Warangal, Mehboobabaad and other places in the state of Telangana. Now with the support of NIF, Sri Raju will be able to do a large-scale production and improvise the design further. The other innovation that got selected by NIF is an innovative sprayer capable of sanitizing or washing large areas like roads, societies, doors, compound walls, etc. The sprayer consists of two radial fans of aluminium which move in opposite directions. The machine can sanitize 30 feet horizontally and 15 feet vertically and can be used in both spacious and congested locations. It is already in use at various locations in Maharashtra like Satara and Nasik. And with the support from the NIF, the manufacturing will be scaled up further. Let's hear more about ideas received in the competition from Dr. Vipin Kumar, who is the Director and Chief Innovation Officer of National Innovation Foundation.
We found that lots of people in the public, they might not be the scientists were giving lots of solutions for COVID-19. So we thought that let us also give them a platform. And then we started this Challenge COVID-19 Competition C3. Lots of tunnels, in fact, few tunnels also we made, which might be good for sanitization of a person who is completely wearing the PPE kit, because we cannot allow any chemical on the human being. So if the person is completely packed with that PPE kit and if he is moving in the campus from one area to another area, so that sanitization is required, and for that sanitization we have developed two kind of tunnel, and those tunnels were installed in either in different companies or municipal corporations. One very good technology what we did in Sikkim, basically when the vehicles are entering in the Sikkim, at that entry, one gate is there, sanitization gate, which can sanitize the vehicle completely. This is also based on the innovation submitted in this COVID-19.
The Technology Development Board, or TDB, which is a body of the Department of Science and Technology, has provided support to the Coimbatore-based IATME Electric Private Limited to commercialize its battery-powered portable X-ray machines. The machine is a standalone medical radiography equipment with a digital display which is suitable for use in ICUs and isolation wards. The device is battery operated and portable, so it can be taken to a patient's bedside for examination. As chest X-rays are useful to understand the severity of COVID-19 infection, this device will be helpful for tracking the health condition of the patients. Let's hear more about how TDB is supporting various innovations from Dr. Neeraj Sharma, who is the Secretary of Technology Development Board.
We invited proposals on low-cost masks, which can capture viruses from air and absorb respiratory droplets, some areas like cost-effective thermal scanning, sanitization, sterilization, surveillance, bioinformatics, AI, IoT, diagnostic kits, and many other such related technologies which were related to this particular crisis. And we we jumped into this and advertised uh, for call of proposals from Indian companies who have innovative solutions, indigenous technologies, and very, very important creative solutions for this particular. So we are not into scaling up of any activity of production. Our objective is to provide fund to companies who have innovative solutions which are unique in that sense.
That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe, sound, and staying at home. See you soon. Namaskar.